Install a window shade or blind in less than 10 minutes, you can do it. Look at how it fits in the window opening perfectly, just like butter. The first tip is make sure you measure correctly. You get to decide if your new blind or shade is going to go over the surface of the wall. It always looks a little sloppy if you do that. It looks better to go in the wall. If you have a recessed alcove window opening, go ahead and measure for the inside. Don't take your first measurement. Make sure you measure in at least 3 different locations. You want to take the smallest measurement you find of the 3 and report that to the home improvement store. At the home improvement store, they will cut this to fit. This is a small bedroom window. It's 35 inches across, so this shade is cut to fit at 34.5 inches. That half-inch shade will give us a perfect 1/4 inch reveal on both sides, so it fits without binding or catching on anything, and you'll still have plenty of privacy, no problem at all. Another tip is make sure you buy quality. Yes, you can buy a $15 knockoff mini blind and it will break in the first couple months and then you won't be happy. LEVOLOR is a respected brand. Buy any trusted, respected brand. When you get them trimmed at the home improvement stores, they will trim off equal lengths on each side so it stays centered. All the provided mounting hardware is included. The mounting brackets on this one is a hidden design. These will be up top and they'll snap in where you won't see them. The reason mounting brackets come with so many holes is because you can decide if you're going to secure it to the back of a wall, to the top of a wall, or some cases even to the side of a wall. Okay, in this case, we could put it right up back to the window, but that might be a little tight. We're going to do it 1.5 inches from the front window opening in both brackets, and we're going to also do it equal distance from the side. So the window opening is 35 inches. Let's put each bracket at 6 inches. Okay, that'll be the edge, 6 inches from the edge, and then 1.5 inches. Okay, make sure you do the brackets in the right orientation. Often they are labeled as what side is the top. As this one is, it's labeled for the top. Now, if you're drilling through drywall, good luck. That means you can just instantly go right through it. If you're drilling through plaster or masonry, go ahead and pre-drill. Okay, again, checking for the top, checking where we put our pencil marks, and then marking where we want the screws. Okay, next, most shades or mini blinds at this point, you're just going to snap it in the brackets. Some have the corner brackets where you snap it in and then lack it in with the door. LEVOLOR has made it pretty easy. They literally were just angle snap in. Make sure your hands are clean at this point, otherwise you'll stain your new shades. It's as simple as that, 2 clicks. Make sure it's centered to the left and the right. You can slide it back and forth so your reveal is centered on the window. All right, go ahead and test it out. Make sure you like it. The lengths can be adjusted. Your measurements will show you on the box the openings that it will fit. Blinds and shades no longer come with strings because they were a choking hazard for small kids. This is a light filtering. LEVOLOR offered light filtering or complete light blocking if you need complete blackout for day sleepers.